Whether you're an aspiring YouTuber or a seasoned professional videographer or filmmaker, you know that producing quality content requires top-notch editing. That's why we've rounded up a selection of high-quality editing software. Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5software.com. Here we'll look at some of the best video editor for cinematography currently available on the market, and also include further options to consider. Check out the links in the description to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have Cyberlink PowerDirector 18 Ultimate. This video editing software offers professional tools and high-end performance capabilities for creators and aspiring content producers, including impressive motion graphics and animated titles, completely customizable vector shapes with auto-fit text and keyframe controls, and an improved chroma key engine for green screen editing. While the most basic version of PowerDirector 18 includes standard video editing features like Express Projects, Video Collage, and Action Camera Center, the Ultimate version comes with advanced video editing features including Shape Designer, 4K Preview, Audio Scrubbing, and 10-bit HDR import. All versions include 25 gigs of cloud storage for a year, as well as 50 tracks of background music and 100 sound clips. You'll get 4 packs of premium video plugins and effects from NewBlue FX, ProDAT, and Boris FX with Ultra, while the Ultimate version comes with 6 packs. Number 2. Premiere Pro and After Effects. Most film and video editors will also already be familiar with Premiere Pro, which is generally considered the main competitor to Final Cut. Adobe claims that it is the industry-leading video editing software for film, TV, and the web. In addition, full disclosure, 9to5software also uses Premiere Pro to edit the majority of its videos. Available on both macOS and Windows operating systems, Premiere Pro is a timeline-based video editing software with an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Filmmakers can also access other great software that works seamlessly with Premiere Pro, including the compositing software After Effects. Notable movies edited on Premiere Pro include Deadpool, Gone Girl, Superman Returns, and Terminator: Dark Fate. On top of our list, at number 1, we have FilmoraPro. FilmoraPro is a type of video editing software that has been built especially for people like you, the amateur filmmaker. It has all of the features that you would need for your filmmaking software, from motion graphics to special effects, from color correction to cropping and editing. It's really easy to learn and it is very efficient in terms of getting things completed.